All right, folks, good Friday morning. Welcome back here to NYSE TV Live. A few minutes after the ringing of the opening bell, the New York Stock Exchange hosts over 3,000 events every year. Believe it or not, that's true. It includes opening bells, closing bells, board meetings, you name it, we do it here. And in today's case, a fashion show right here on the iconic trading floor of the Stock Exchange, all a part of the Generation Essential Group's listing here at the NYSE. Joining me now is the company's global chairman, Calvin Choi. It is great to have you here. Good morning.
Good morning. Very happy to be here today.
Absolutely. Let's talk about what this means for you and the company to not only ring the opening bell here at the New York Stock Exchange, but have such a high-profile, very cool and unique event going on here as well.
We're very proud. I think today is our listing here. And in fact, TGE, the Generation Essentials Group, is under the overall AMTD Group. So this is our third listing on NYSE. So we're very proud. I think this one is entirely global media entertainment company, but that including global media like L'Officiel, Art Newspaper. But we are so proud that we will have the fashion show here, right now, live here at the New York Stock Exchange, first ever.
Talk to me about what you see as being fundamentally the mission of the company and a bit about its genesis for anyone watching this amazing event right now who might be a bit unfamiliar, Calvin.
So our mission, like the name, when we talk about it, is essential. As the for the generation, we plan to and committed to provide the essential ingredients, the most quality contents, relevant contents, and also ethical contents, truthfulness to deliver our independent media voice to everyone of our viewerships and also our readers. But we are not only in media, we are also in entertainment. So we produce movies, we deliver contents, onward into motion pictures and into big screen. We are also operating spaces. So spaces, no matter the smaller ones like coffee shop, ice cream shops, but into bigger space like hotels, hospitality. So ultimately, all these are VIP experiencing and how we used all the IPs to curate the right voice.
Calvin, what would you say ultimately are the biggest core values of the company that really drive your general approach to media and distribution for your clients?
I think it's combined values. We are in media, but we are very global in 33 countries of the world. We are in entertainment, but all this, motion pictures, contents, they work very much with all these influencers, celebrities, and into something of an exciting, stories within the contents to deliver, the messages. But ultimately, all the spaces, they are not just, fixed space, but these are space that, we see it as, with great mobility, but with the right voice inside, curating, to connect through heritage, culture, and the modern world.
It's impossible not to bring our attention right here to this incredible event at a fashion show. I've never been to a fashion show personally, let alone see one here on the iconic trading floor of the New York Stock Exchange. What should people know about the programming and planning to pull off a very cool and unique event like this for a Friday morning?
For surely, I think, of course, great efforts, by the L'Officiel team, the TGE team, but thank you so much to the New York Stock Exchange. This is first ever in history, I would say, not only for NYSE, but for exchange around the world, that you have actually a high-quality fashion show within the venue here at the exchange, but it's showcasing, wide diversity brands all here. Now that, we are talking about the models dressing, not just the contemporary pieces, but these are the pieces from a history of time onward into the modern world. So we are ultimately talking about a history of fashion evolvement over history.
I got about 30 seconds left. There's a round of applause, both for the models and certainly for you as well. What most excites you about where you see the company positioned today and your biggest hopes for the future?
I think the company, we intend to become comprehensive. We intend to become a lot more, greater power of our exposure, influential power, connecting through all the major places of the world. So we are very acquisitive, as we mentioned, out loud. We will be keep on building, expanding, acquiring, and also doing lots of seeds planting in order to make TGE a global company.
Calvin Choi, congratulations on the opening bell for a great event here at the New York Stock Exchange. It is awesome to have you.
Thank you.
Calvin's the global chairman of the Generation Essentials Group.